Hi, I'm Dr. Amanda Groff from the UCF Anthropology Department, and I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how to make your courses more accessible. The biggest tip I can give to people is to have a transcript already produced. Usually when I do this, I write the transcript before I record my lecture, and then I make edits to that transcript after I've actually recorded, and that way you already have it done. It's ready for those students should you have one that needs some closed captioning lectures. Now, what I use to add closed captioning is actually through YouTube. I will upload my MP4 of my video. I set it to private so that nobody else sees it. You actually are given an option for YouTube to time out your voice compared to the written word that you're actually providing to them. So they effectively have synchronized caption built into their video options. Then once you've uploaded the transcript and you've processed the video, it produces an SRT file, which you then can upload to web courses and apply it to the video that you have just recorded. And voila, your students have access to closed captioning lectures. It's quite simple, very straightforward, and I'm more than happy to provide my step-by-step tips, provide those for people so that they can themselves at home add closed captioning for their students.